Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing excellent. So today I have wonderful topic which is rich dad versus poor dad. I'm your mentor Lavanya Dansena, and in this video I'm gonna tell you guys one small stories which is rich dad versus poor dad. You heard about this book and you don't know, so you have to read because this book I already read and this is the wonderful book, and I love to read book when I have free. To be honest, I don't have that much time, but every day I read book because I love to read. When I will read book, so that time I am feeling very, peace and calm. So that's why. And that times when you will study, so there is number of questions. Why this kind of happen, because while you are reading, while you are studying, so that times full of question and we want to solve, but don't think too much when you will go for study. So that time you focus only related to study. So let's begin. I will give only small story and you have to listen. Please listen to me very carefully. And if you are the new, so please subscribe my video and like my video and hit the bell icon. Why I'm telling you, whenever I upload which is related to Hindi and English content, so you get a notification easily. So let's begin. There is two friends, both of them, very good and average student. And one day what happened, both of them sitting one bench. There is one new park and both of them sitting one bench. And one name is Ram and another name is Rahul. Rahul told Ram, I got a wonderful job and I want to go and then I do my job. So that times Ram, where you want to go, Rahul? So that times Rahul told, I will go Bangalore. Both of them in Kanpur. And that times Rahul told, Ram told, you really want to go and you really want to do job? So that times Rahul told, yes, I want to go. And I finished my this is the 5 years completed, and then I will finish my job and then I will come back Kanpur and then we will meet. Otherwise we never ever meet. 5 years you have to focus your what you want to. I am going to job, and what about you, Ram? So Ram told, I will start my own business because I have few money and then I will start my own business. So that times Rahul told, yes, you can go and I want to go and we will meet 5 years. We will meet after 5 years. So that times what happened? Time is passing and finally both are meet. And then one bench sitting, both of them, and then like, how was your job, Rahul? So Rahul told, see, look at me. How I am looking like? I am looking like a very gentleman. And what about you? You look like a poor. I am looking like a gentleman and I have car, I have good house. And what about smartwatch also? And look at you. You don't have. Still you are empty hand. And see me. I'm looking like a, gentleman, look like a very professional man. And I have good car. You know what happened? That much, this car, I purchased 20 lakh rupees. And what about you? You don't have any car and you don't have any good house and you don't have any good cloth. So that times, Ram listened all the stories, which is Rahul, and then Ram told, yeah, I see. You look like a very gentleman and you have also good car. Oh my God. And you have also a smart watch and you have also good house. And what about me? Really, I don't have. But I will tell I have good land. And that times I buy only 10 lakh rupees. And nowadays, every people wants to this land, they told, I will give 30 lakh rupees, I will give 40 lakh rupees, I will give 50 lakh rupees. And what about your car? At that times you purchase this car 20 lakh rupees, and now you want to go and sell this car. And what about now price? Only approx I think 5 lakh rupees and 6 lakh rupees. And what about my land? So who is the big and who is great man and who is richer man? And look at you. You don't have any capital. You don't have any bank balance. You don't have any land. You have only house. You have good cloth and you have a smartwatch. When you will sell your smartwatch, so no one want to buy your smartwatch, because when you will buy, now you purchase that watch which is I think 4,000, and now you want to sell your watch, so no anyone want to buy your watch. So who is the best and who is the richer? I am richer man. Why I am richer man? Because I am thinking how to utilize my money. And what about you? That times you are thinking like, I want to luxurious, I want to big car, I want a good cloth, I want a good house. And what about your future? Your future like a gold. And when you will sell your house, your car, and when you will sell your smartwatch, when you will sell your cloth, no anyone want to buy, because no anyone interested to buy your watch, your car. And what about your look? One day look also you are losing your look. So what about me? Now I did my lot of hard work, and that's why I have 2 land. And that times I purchased one land which is 8 lakh rupees and another land which is 10 lakh rupees. And when I will sell, so everyone wants to they want to my land, and they want to told every day like, I will give 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh. And what about you? No anyone interested to purchase your all the stocks. So who is the best? I am the best. So that's called rich dad versus poor dad. So I will tell you guys, every poor people wants to luxurious. And if you really want to build your confidence and you really want to you want to really did your hard work, so one day you will earn good money. And when you will see your luxurious, only luxurious, no pain no gain, everyone knows. Okay, so बिना पेन के कुछ गेन नहीं है. अभी तो आप अपना सुख सुख देख रहे हैं, and what about 5 years, 6 years, and then vanish. So don't think luxurious. You really utilize your money. So you have to spend land. Don't think luxurious, but nowadays people want to buy, good cloth, good car, and even cell phone. So these kind of things, fully silly people. So don't think too much. And you really want to stable and you really want to richer man, so you have to save your money. So how was my video? Like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye and take care.